Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to be answering the question, can you view private TikTok accounts without following them? And the answer is no. There's no way to do it. Everybody that says you just have to download some app is lying to you. There is no way to do it unless you're like some hacker. There's no way to view private TikTok accounts without following them. So as you can see here, there's this private TikTok account, and there is no way to view their posts without following them. There's nothing you can do. There's no secret technique to do it. You just have to follow them and wait for them to accept you to view their posts. You can try making a fake account and following them on that if you don't want them to know that you're following them, but that's like the only thing you can do. There's no way to use some third-party website to hack into the TikTok mainframe and find out their posts or anything like that. It's all just fake. So don't give anybody your TikTok information, otherwise you'll get hacked. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe. Leave any questions you have in the comment section below. I'll do my best to answer them. And I will see you guys next time.